Now, if you've grown your beard out as many times as I have, there comes a point where you really need to adjust your beard growth and the actual process of growing it out. Now, what do I mean by this when I say the process of growing it out? Well, typically when we grow out our beard, we're usually just shaving it evenly. And what I mean by evenly, we're just trimming up the beard, our cheek line, our mustache, all in the same length. And this is great to give us a baseline as we're growing out our beard. But when we want our beard to look fuller and thicker, are there some ways that we can adjust our growth to make it appear that way? But even if we are struggling with some certain parts in our beard, like if we have some patches in our cheek or in our chin area, like right here, I've got a not so strong point. What do? We work around it. Like I'll grow my soul patch out a little longer as it overlaps my chin. So what am I getting to when I say growing out your beard and your mustache in a different way? So that length is gonna be very short when we pull out the trimmers, even if we go down to the actual blade itself and we're trimming everything up. What we wanna do is give yourself 2 weeks in between that time after you trim, all right? Once you reach that 2-week pinnacle, and if you need to go a couple weeks more, if your hair doesn't grow that fast, then we're gonna take our clippers out and we're gonna go back to the blade itself again that we originally started, and we're going to trim up our beard again, but we're gonna leave our mustache alone. Why is that? Because when we look upon each other, the first thing we see is right here is our nose and our upper lip. And as people look down, as you can see from your perspective or even up, this is the most pivotal point that we're going to focus on. And that's gonna give the appearance that our beard is fuller and thicker. And a lot of people really underestimate and undervalue the power of the mustache. Even if you don't have a strong one, if you're growing it out just a couple weeks more than your beard, then you are going to have that appearance of a stronger and fuller, thicker beard. That's what I've done right here. I think my beard and my mustache look very well, but this gives me a more dominant, a more fuller, a more male assertive look with the mustache, as it is a focal point of my facial hair game. And this is a great way for you to experiment what lengths work better in your beard game. So that way, if your mustache looks better, longer and thicker and fuller, and then have your beard be a little shorter, then do that. And if it needs to be the opposite, which it can sometimes be the case too, where we're trimming our mustache up and the beard looks fuller, it's more about your face shape and your face and bone structure, right? We've got to know if our, if our jawline's a little more structured, if our lips a little stronger, those things that we have to keep in mind. So that way you're getting the best look out of your beard and mustache growth. All right, guys, I hope that helped you out. Give it a try and I will see you in the next video. Have a good one. See ya.